Hey guys, welcome back to Beautiful Mess. My name is Gretchen, and in today's video I am sharing some realistic cleaning motivation for you guys. This was my last day of break that I had off, and I needed to get everything cleaned up around the house and just get everything in order. I like to get everything set up the day before the work week starts and the school week starts, just because it helps to have the rest of the week flow a little bit better. And even with getting all of that clean, sometimes the week just goes a little bit crazy, but that's just how life is. So I will be getting my kids' lunchboxes ready, getting uniforms ready. I have to get my son's daycare bag ready. I just leave it with his sitter all week, so that way when I drop him off, he's already got a change of clothes there. And so just getting a few things done, and I really wanted to get all of my rooms cleaned up and get those vacuumed. So I hope you can find some motivation in this today if you are trying to tackle your to-do list and you just have not been feeling up to the challenge. I hope you get up, get moving, get on that to-do list, and get what you can done. So here I am just picking out the outfits for my son's daycare bag. So I leave this with his sitter at her house, and every day when I drop him off, usually he's still in his PJs. It's very early in the morning, so I just leave a few changes of clothes, and that way she can just change him into his clothes.
Girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, nah.
So as you can tell, all I really needed to do in this room was vacuum, and I had already tidied up. Actually, I believe it was the day before. The room was a little bit of a disaster, and I had dusted and tidied up. So that's all I did in there, and then I headed into the living room. That also, it wasn't too bad, but I wanted to pick it up and get the rug vacuumed.
I need somebody. I need somebody.
And I actually was borrowing my mom's vacuum cleaner just because I would like to invest in a really good one. So in the meantime, I have been between borrowing my mom's vacuum or my sister-in-law's vacuum cleaner when I need to vacuum. So hopefully that is the next thing on my list, and I can get a good vacuum for the rooms this year.
But then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel. But if you dig
Then I headed into my kids' bathroom and just tidied up in there a little bit and cleaned up what I needed to. It wasn't like a deep clean, but I did want to get everything just tidied up and wiped down.
yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Jump on my roller coaster and hold tight. It won't be easy, but it'll be fun. Sometimes it goes the whole way up and down. I think you're ready now to leave the ground. Get in the fast lane, babe, you can make it. I promise I'll be there all the way. And if you get a little broken down, all that you gotta do is keep your head high.
So the room that I really spent a little bit of time cleaning was my master bedroom, just because this is a room that always gets neglected. Everything gets thrown in here. It gets very, very dusty. I don't know why this is the dustiest room in the entire house. It's my room. So I had to dust and clean the nightstand. They're little glass tables, so I had to wipe those down. And if you're wondering what in the world that is sticking out of my bed frame up there, that actually is a Christmas gift that I got my husband. this year, well, this past Christmas, and he likes to watch videos at night, and he's constantly like sitting there just holding his phone. So I got him this little contraption on Amazon, and it holds the phone for him. So maybe I'm encouraging bad habits, but he can also move it into the kitchen, and like if he's looking at a recipe, and he can connect it to the counter, and it can hold his phone and put it at like eye level. So it's really, really neat, and he has been using it a lot. So just in case you're wondering what that funny thing is sticking out of there.
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good.
Okay, now one of the things that I want to do this year is simplify my bed making a little bit. My comforter is very thick, it's just really big, and then all of my blankets are like different sizes, so that is the reason why you see me fold them and I don't just leave them on the bed. So, you know, I know that when you've got a more simpler way to like lay your blankets on the bed and make it a part of your bed making, it just is easier to make your bed. I don't know if I'm making sense or if it's true, but I know that I'm terrible at making my bed, and it is because my comforter is so heavy and I have to individually fold every blanket. So I think this year I am changing this up and getting a lighter comforter, getting blankets that all fit on the bed, and that way I could just put everything out and make it a part of when I'm making the bed. Just lift everything up, get it done quickly.
Wouldn't believe them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but never, never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
So you'll notice while I'm cleaning the TV stand and the TV and everything here, you'll notice those boxes next to it, and I'm actually leaving those there because those were my husband's newest kitchen appliances that he got, like his small appliances, and there was no place to put them in the kitchen, so I left them there for the time being. But as of now, I have filmed my declutter and organize with me of the kitchen, so I am excited because I was able to declutter some stuff and make space for the new stuff. So that video will be coming up soon. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.
I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. It's not that I don't care. Need to shut down to keep you out of my mind. It's strange to be here alone. Yeah, a place that we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. Don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. I won't come back. I have dreams about us. I just want it to stop, because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over.
Then I moved on into the kitchen. It was starting to get dark out by this point. We had already had dinner, so I was just getting a few things that didn't go into the dishwasher, just getting those things cleaned off.
No, I'm grasping at straws, trying to save myself. Don't wanna be here alone. No, no. A place we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. Don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. I won't come back. I have dreams about us. I just want it to stop, because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. It won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. Yeah. But I still think about it all the time. It won't stop until it's over. Yeah. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over, baby. Yeah.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. Maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower.
Now, usually I finish the entire kitchen before I get started on anything else, but in this case I had started in the rooms, and for some reason when I did the side of the kitchen where the sink is, I had not come over to this side. So after I finished cleaning off the table, I started cleaning on this side, and then I finished the kitchen, which I thought was weird, but that's just how I ended up doing it. And there is what I call our new little spaceship, the air fryer that my husband got for Christmas. That thing is massive, guys. Huge.
I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby, ooh. Think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby, ooh. Think about the stuff we play.
Once I got our leftovers put away, I sprayed the stovetop and just let the cleaner sit on there for a little bit. And while I let it sit, I went ahead and started getting my kids' lunch boxes ready for the following day.
Screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the
So then you can see I just started setting up my coffee so that it was ready for the next morning.
We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. We can do what we like. We can do what we like, baby, while we're young, young. Oh, baby, while we're young, young.
There's my daughter just bringing out her backpack. I had washed her backpack over the break, and I was making sure that she had her binder and all her books and everything in there. Now I did end up getting a ton on my to-do list done. I actually, for some reason on my to-do list, I wrote tidy the kitchen. I don't know when I ever actually just tidy the kitchen, but it needed to be cleaned. And I did get my daughter's school uniform out. I didn't get to film that. And also I did get to prep my lunch. Not sure why I didn't film that either. And I think the only thing that I didn't do was get all of the bathrooms cleaned up. But I did do my kids' bathroom, so I just wrote that I did one on there. And I guess I did not write on my to-do list to clean my master bedroom, but I definitely got that done. I don't know if that ever happens to you when you've made your list, but then you end up adding things to it as you're going. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave me a thumbs up if you did, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Take care and happy cleaning!